on a 2013 Lexus 300H, and today I'm gonna show you how to open the hood. So from here, this lever here will pull, that'll release the safety latch. If this is just freely loose, double check this cable is attached. If it's not, that's something you might need to address. That will go front. Now that hood's loose, you should see it's slightly loose now, so your hand can fit in here. But we'll look for this lever here. So we're gonna pinch and lift. So pinch and lift. And it's got these nice hydraulics that'll hold the hood up for you. This is that latch I was pinching. That's what it looks like from the inside. Double check there's no debris stuck in here, nothing bent or broken. If this is really sticking, you might need some WD-40 to loosen it. And then up here is where it was hooked onto. Then also double check that your hood's in proper alignment, because if this is crooked, that could cause you issues as well. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.